welcome to the top. It's your boy, Big Country. Finally got this mini bike running. Check it out. Here it is. I rebuilt it. I bought it, me and my buddy bought it for like $65. It had an old motor. I changed the motor out and stuff. I bought him out, gave him his $25. Gave him his $25 back. So now it's officially mine. I had to go to a welding shop and get these two bars welded on if I could put this basket on, if I can deliver food. I'm gonna do DoorDash and caviar on here. And pretty much, yeah, my license. I don't have my license right now, so this is my new vehicle. So I'm gonna show you guys how fast it go. Well, matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys how fast it go with the throttle. Then I'm gonna show you guys how fast it go when I bypass the throttle. Right now, I should go catch up with him. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys me riding in a second. Be back. Give me 1 minute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fire her up. See, I forget her to start up on one pull. Alright guys, so that's my mini bike. I'm about to go to Popeyes, get me something to eat. See you guys in a minute. Hey, flip. Look at this guy.